Getting to know the story behind the headlines. Akron News Now reports with more depth on the stories you need to know on WAKR News Now.
The state's judges now have a new sentencing law designed to keep nonviolent offenders out of prison. The law is aimed at reducing prison overcrowding and saving the state and local governments money. Summit County Common Pleas Judge Eleanor Marsh agrees that some nonviolent first-time offenders don't do well in the lockup.
There are statistics that support that there are certain places where nonviolent first-time offenders are being sent to prison, and what we've learned about that is that if you put a nonviolent first-time offender in prison, it tends to make them worse.
Stormer says first-time offenders also have a better outcome with alternative sentencing programs than always going to prison.
I absolutely agree that first-time nonviolent offenders who tend to be theft offenses or drug possession, and they usually are both, probably would be better served in a treatment facility.
Stormer says she likes another provision of the state's new sentencing law for nonviolent offenders.
They take classes and try to improve themselves. They can reduce their prison sentence. That can be taken away at any time if there is bad behavior. I think that's a positive. It doesn't really affect the judges, but it is a positive.
Another provision of the new sentencing law mandates the judges explain their sentences.
We're going to be required to state on the record the reasons for our sentences. That had been part of the law. It was removed, and now it's again part of the law. And I think that's probably very valuable because it forces judges to think specifically about what sentence they want for that person. Again, I don't think that's a problem in Summit County. It may be a problem in other counties, but you have to articulate it, particularly if you want to give someone a maximum consecutive sentence. So what they've done is they've said, we think judges do this sometimes because they're angry, not because it's the best sentence. And to that extent, again, they're removing discretion, but to a judge who can articulate why that's important, he or she still does have that option to do it.
Now, Judge Stormer says only time will tell if the other provisions of what she calls a complicated sentencing law are successful in reducing the state's prison population. Larry States, AkronNewsNow.com.
More news, weather, sports, business, entertainment, and community on AkronNewsNow.com and always on WAKR News Now.